how to find and see all my likes archive on Instagram. Hello guys, today I will show you how to do this. Just make sure that you subscribe and you like this video. So let's start. You will go first and you open your Discord, or sorry, you will open your Instagram. Then when your Instagram is opening, you will go to here. For example, I will like this video and this video of Moroccan team. I will go now to my profile, then I will go to this three line and click, then I will go to your activity, and then I will go to interaction, and then I will go to likes. And as you see here, I like this video before, if you remember. So this is all my likes on my Instagram account. And that's it. I hope this video is useful and helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next video.